The F-35 Lightning II, a marvel of modern military aviation, stands as the pinnacle of fifth-generation fighter jet technology. Its advanced stealth capabilities, sensor fusion, and network-centric warfare prowess have redefined air superiority. But even as the F-35 takes to the skies, the horizon of military aviation is being redrawn once more. On drawing boards and in clandestine testing facilities, a new breed of warplanes is emerging, the enigmatic 6th-generation fighter jets. These aircraft, shrouded in secrecy and speculation, promise to push the boundaries of aerospace engineering and revolutionize aerial warfare as we know it. The advent of 6th-generation fighters heralds a paradigm shift in air combat, driven by rapid advancements in artificial intelligence, directed energy weapons, and hypersonic flight. These technologies, once confined to the realm of science fiction, are rapidly becoming a reality, promising to reshape the battlefields of the future. The emergence of these next-generation aircraft begs the question: will these technological marvels eventually relegate the F-35 to obsolescence? Or will the two generations of fighters coexist, complementing each other's strengths in a complex and ever-changing threat environment?
Defining the sixth generation of fighter jets is a fluid and evolving endeavor, as the precise characteristics that will define this new breed of warplanes are still being debated and refined within military and aerospace circles. However, certain key features and capabilities are consistently cited as hallmarks of sixth-generation aircraft. These include optional manning, allowing for unmanned or remotely piloted operations, advanced artificial intelligence, enabling autonomous decision-making and flight control, directed energy weapons, such as lasers and high-powered microwaves, offering precise and rapid offensive and defensive capabilities, and hypersonic flight, allowing for unprecedented speed and maneuverability. These advanced capabilities are expected to be underpinned by a new generation of propulsion systems, materials science breakthroughs, and sensor technologies that will enable sixth-generation fighters to operate at the very edge of the performance envelope. The integration of these cutting-edge technologies will result in aircraft with unparalleled situational awareness, survivability, and lethality, capable of dominating the highly contested airspace of the future.
While the sixth-generation fighter jet remains largely conceptual, the F-35 Lightning II is a tangible reality, representing the culmination of decades of research, development, and investment. The F-35 is not a static platform, but rather a constantly evolving weapons system, subject to continuous upgrades and improvements throughout its projected decades-long service life. This commitment to modernization ensures that the F-35 will remain a highly capable and relevant asset in the face of emerging threats, even as sixth-generation fighters begin to take to the skies. The F-35's ongoing modernization roadmap includes upgrades to its sensor suite, avionics, and stealth coatings, ensuring it remains at the forefront of technological advancement. Additionally, the development of new weapons and electronic warfare systems specifically tailored for the F-35 platform will further enhance its combat effectiveness. These continuous improvements will ensure that the F-35 remains a formidable force in the years to come, capable of operating alongside and complementing the capabilities of sixth-generation fighters.
Stealth technology, a defining characteristic of fifth-generation fighters like the F-35, will continue to play a crucial role in the sixth generation. However, the concept of stealth itself is evolving, moving beyond simply minimizing radar cross-section to encompass a multispectral approach. Sixth-generation fighters are expected to possess advanced stealth capabilities that reduce their visibility across a wider range of spectra, including infrared, acoustic, and even visual signatures. This comprehensive approach to stealth will make sixth-generation fighters incredibly difficult to detect and track, allowing them to operate with unprecedented impunity in contested airspace. The development of new materials, adaptive camouflage systems, and advanced electronic countermeasures will further enhance the survivability of these next-generation aircraft, making them a formidable challenge for even the most sophisticated air defense networks. Section 5. The rise of the AI Wingman. One of the most significant advancements anticipated in sixth-generation fighters is the integration of artificial intelligence into virtually every aspect of the aircraft's operation. AI will serve as a co-pilot, assisting human pilots in managing the overwhelming influx of data from the aircraft's sensors, making critical decisions in real time, and even taking control of the aircraft in certain situations. This AI-assisted piloting will free up human pilots to focus on higher-level strategic decision-making, enhancing overall mission effectiveness. Furthermore, AI will enable the development of unmanned wingman drones, capable of acting as force multipliers for sixth-generation fighters. These autonomous drones, controlled by the AI of the lead fighter, will be able to engage enemy aircraft, conduct reconnaissance missions, and even act as decoys, greatly expanding the tactical options available to pilots. The seamless integration of AI into 6th-generation fighters will represent a paradigm shift in air combat, fundamentally changing the way wars are fought in the skies. Section 6. Beyond visual range. Air combat has been steadily shifting towards beyond visual range engagements, where aircraft engage each other at distances far exceeding visual contact, relying heavily on long-range missiles and sophisticated sensor systems. 6th-generation fighters are expected to excel in this domain, equipped with even more advanced sensors, longer-range weapons, and the ability to network with other platforms to create a comprehensive and lethal battlespace picture. The development of hypersonic missiles, capable of traveling at speeds exceeding Mach 5, will further increase the lethality and effectiveness of BVR engagements. These missiles, coupled with advanced targeting systems and the ability to network with other air, space, and ground-based assets, will give 6th-generation fighters an unparalleled advantage in long-range combat. Section 7. The price of dominance. Developing and fielding 6th-generation fighter jets will require significant financial investments, potentially exceeding the already substantial costs associated with 5th-generation aircraft like the F-35. The integration of cutting-edge technologies, such as directed energy weapons, hypersonic flight, and advanced artificial intelligence, comes at a premium price. Furthermore, the development and testing of these new technologies are complex and time-consuming processes, often fraught with unforeseen challenges and delays. The substantial financial commitment required for 6th-generation fighters raises questions about the feasibility of large-scale procurement and the potential impact on other defense spending priorities. Nations will need to carefully weigh the strategic advantages offered by these next-generation aircraft against the significant financial investments required, potentially leading to smaller procurement numbers and extended development timelines.
Section 8. A shared battlespace. Despite the anticipated capabilities of 6th-generation fighters, it is highly unlikely that they will immediately replace the F-35 or render it obsolete. The F-35 is expected to remain a vital component of air power for decades to come, serving alongside its 6th-generation counterparts in a complex and integrated battlespace. The two generations of fighters will complement each other's strengths, with the F-35's versatility and sensor fusion capabilities working in tandem with the 6th-generation's speed, range, and advanced AI. This interoperability between 5th and 6th-generation fighters will be crucial in maximizing operational effectiveness and ensuring air superiority across a wide range of conflict scenarios. The F-35's ability to operate from austere airfields and its STOVL variant's capability to operate from amphibious assault ships will remain valuable assets, even as 6th-generation fighters take on more specialized roles.
Section 9. The future of air power. The development of 6th-generation fighter jets represents a significant leap forward in military aviation, promising to redefine air combat for decades to come. While these next-generation aircraft are still in their infancy, their potential to revolutionize warfare is undeniable. However, it is important to remember that the F-35, with its continuous upgrades and proven capabilities, will continue to play a critical role in ensuring air superiority. The future of air power will likely involve a mix of 5th and 6th generation fighters, working together seamlessly to dominate the skies. As technology continues to advance at an unprecedented pace, we can expect even more innovative and game-changing developments in the realm of military aviation. The coming decades will undoubtedly be an exciting time for the future of air power, as new technologies emerge and the boundaries of what is possible continue to be pushed. What are your thoughts on how these advancements will shape the future of warfare?